गायत्री मंत्र। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। ओम। फ्राइडे प्रेयर। जीते हैं सभी खुद के लिए, दूसरों को भी हम बांटे खुशियाँ। इंसानियत की नींव पे चलो बनाएं एक नई दुनिया। अंधे की हम बने दृष्टि, बूढ़े के लिए लाठी। किसी अकेले का सहारा बने, पार लगाए सबकी नैया। इंसानियत की नींव पे चलो बनाएं एक नई दुनिया। खुशहाली हो हर तरफ, अमन हो हर बात में। नहीं लड़ेंगे, नहीं कटेंगे, नहीं बटेंगे पंथ जात में। वसुंधरा परिवार यही हो हमारा रवैया। इंसानियत की नींव पे चलो बनाएं एक नई दुनिया। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम।
Good morning, SWS. Today is Friday. Failure to Success Friday. विफलता से सफलता की ओर का शुक्रवार। The thought for today is, the only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. I'll repeat, the only failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. It seems that failure tends to be more public than success, or at least that's what we perceive it to be. We fret it, we try to avoid it, we question ourselves every time we have unconventional ideas. But the simple truth is, no great success can ever be achieved without failure. Let's hear an inspirational story today. Soichiro Honda, the man behind Honda Motor Company. Before establishing his multinational company, he was in the foundry business, manufacturing piston rings. But he had a difficult time securing a contract with Toyota for his innovation on these piston rings. When he finally got the contract, World War II happened and a bomb hit his factory. After rebuilding the factory, an earthquake hit, leveling the building. But my dear children, he never stopped innovating, including embracing the Kaizen philosophy of continuous improvement, and eventually created a motorized bicycle that became the precursor of the Honda motorcycle and ultimately the Honda car company that we know today. So, remember, no adventure worth undertaking is easy. Soichiro Honda faced World War II, the bomb, the earthquake, but remember, the continuous improvement philosophy. Everyone who achieves success faces obstacles. What makes a person is how they react to the obstacles and roadblocks in their life and what they do to overcome these setbacks. The two new words for today are coulrophobia. It means extreme or irrational fear of clowns. Coulrophobia. It's spelled as Coulrophobia. I repeat, Coulrophobia. Coulrophobia. The next word is dilexical, meaning having little or no meaning in itself. Dilexical, having little or no meaning in itself, spelled as Delexical. So the two new words are coulrophobia and dilexical. The news headlines for today: international news. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Merkel urges patience as COVID curbs extend in Germany. Addressing Parliament the day after agreeing with state governors on extending restrictions through at least December 20, Merkel said officials had sought with the measures to keep life as normal as possible while protecting people from the virus and ensuring hospital systems aren't overwhelmed. National news: India's renewable power capacity is fourth largest in the world, says PM Modi at RE Invest 2020. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his speech at RE Invest 2020 on Thursday, said that India in last 6 years has increased its installed renewable energy capacity by 2.5 times and that the country's renewable power capacity is the fourth largest in the world. It's time now to hear some significance of this day, 27th November. Children, there are some amazing events that took place on this day decades and centuries ago. The first to begin with, the Nobel Prizes were established in 1895 on this day. Through the will drawn up by Alfred Bernhard Nobel, the Swedish chemist, engineer and industrialist who invented dynamite and other more powerful explosives, the Nobel Prize was established on this day in 1895. On this day in 1989, world's first living liver transplant took place. 21-month-old Alyssa Smith became the first person to receive a liver transplant from a living donor, her mother Teresa Smith, at the University of Chicago Medical Center. The transplant occurred under the supervision of surgeons Christoph Brolisch, Richard Thomas Heffron and Jean Emmond. Then, in 2005, world's first successful partial face transplant was conducted. Dr. Bernard Dovischl, Benoit Langel and Jean Michel used donor tissue to reconstruct the face of Isabelle Denoy in Amiens, France. Isabelle Denoy's face had been mauled by a dog. Thank you, my dear children.
Requesting everyone to rise up and stand straight for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय